Private Limited is a global online travel company headquartered in Mumbai, India. It operates in India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt with offices in Mumbai, Dubai, Riyadh, and Cairo. Cleartrip is a travel aggregator with a single platform for users to book flights, hotels, trains, corporate travel management, and travel activities and packages. Are you experiencing issues with Cleartrip? Don't worry, Cleartrip offers dedicated help and support to resolve technical, booking a cancellation, and payment problems related to its platform, including flight and train bookings, hotel reservations, travel bookings, and premium features. Want to file a complaint with Cleartrip? In the beginning, you can complain to Cleartrip's customer care support via helpline number, email, or online chat. If not resolved, escalate the matter to the head of customer care at Cleartrip. Flight booking. Problems related to booking domestic and international flights through Cleartrip. This includes issues with flight availability, cancellations, pricing discrepancies, and refund and payment processing. Train booking. Complaints about booking Indian Railways train tickets via Cleartrip, including seat availability, class preferences, premiums, charges, and payment-related concerns. Hotel booking. Issues related to hotel reservations in India and worldwide, such as booking cancellations, incorrect charges, and problems during check-in or check-out. Activity booking. Complaints regarding booking tours, travel packages, attractions, and events through Cleartrip. This includes problems with activity availability, scheduling conflicts, and refund processes. Cleartrip features. Problems with Cleartrip's innovative features, such as price alerts, fare calendar, Cleartrip for Business, Agent Box, and Cleartrip Mobile. Users may face issues setting up alerts, accessing corporate travel management tools, or using the mobile app. Others, concerns about the transparency of pricing, fees, and commissions on the Cleartrip platform. Listed partners and users may question additional charges, hidden fees, or unclear pricing structures. Still, not resolved to your satisfaction. Finally, you can escalate the complaint to the grievance officer, and further to the appointed nodal officer at Cleartrip Private Limited. How to file a complaint of Cleartrip? As per the customer service policy of Cleartrip, the complaint resolution process is divided into 2 levels. Initially, you may complain to the customer service team. Further, you can escalate the disputed matter to the next designated authority. Grievance redressal mechanism. Level 1, Customer Care, Cleartrip, may take 72 hours. Toll-free number. WhatsApp or email. Register a complaint online. Level 2, escalate the complaint to the grievance officer, Cleartrip Private Limited. If you have complaints about the violation of passenger rights by airlines or airports that are not resolved to your satisfaction, you should file a complaint against the airline or airport to the AirSOA Nodal Officer of the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Please note, if your disputed matter with Cleartrip is not resolved to your satisfaction, you may file a consumer complaint with the National Consumer Helpline of the Department of Consumer Affairs, MOCA, or approach the Consumer Commission Forum to seek compensation for your loss. Level 1, Customer Care, Cleartrip. To address your concerns with Cleartrip, you can initiate contact through the toll-free customer care number, send an email, or submit your complaint online. You can complain about flight, hotel, and train bookings, general customer support, and payment disputes. Be sure to provide the following details. Trip ID. Booking ID or reference number for existing bookings. Nature of the complaint. A brief description of the issue, along with relevant supporting documents, bills, screenshots, or video links if available. Contact details of Cleartrip customer service. Cleartrip complaint number, +9 195 95 333333. Email, wicare@cleartrip.com, dpo@cleartrip.com, opt out for promotions or privacy complaints. Complain online to Cleartrip. File a complaint. Tip: beware of scams. Don't share bank or personal details. Use only the official Cleartrip app for help. Stay safe. Level 2. Grievance Officer, Cleartrip. As per the E-Commerce Rules 2020 and IT, Information Technology, Act 2000, Cleartrip Private Limited has designated a grievance officer to address concerns related to unresolved complaints. If your complaint previously lodged at Level 1 is not resolved within 72 hours, 3 days, you have the option to escalate the case to the grievance officer. When submitting your written grievance letter or email, please include the following details. Reference a ticket number of the previous complaint. Booking or trip ID. Reason for your dissatisfaction and the relief you expect. Detailed description of the disputed matter, with relevant supporting documents for the claim. After successful submission, must note down the acknowledgement, unique ID, to track the status of the complaint. To lodge your grievance, send an email to cleartrip@wicare@cleartrip.com. For complaints related to the Cleartrio booking services, you can contact Cleartrip Private Limited at Designation: Grievance Officer, Cleartrip. Email: escalation@cleartrip.com. Address: Grievance Officer, Cleartrip Private Limited, Embassy Tech Village, Tower A, Outer Ring Road, Devarbizanal, Bellandur, Bengaluru, Karnataka 560103. Still, not resolved to your satisfaction by Cleartrip. If you find the final response from Cleartrip unsatisfactory, you can approach these authorities. Informal consumer complaint. File an informal consumer complaint with the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, for arbitration. Internal arbitration. Opt for internal arbitration with Cleartrip's parent company, Cleartrip Private Limited, to resolve the issue internally and reach a resolution. Formal consumer complaint. Alternatively, you can file a formal complaint against Cleartrip or its partners with the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, Consumer Court, the forum to demand compensation for any losses or inconveniences experienced. Still, not satisfied with the final resolution? It is advisable to consult with a legal expert before considering legal action against the company or challenging the decision made by the respective authority.